Alright, what is really happening underneath the surface right here?
Great question. Scarcity feels powerful because your brain interprets limited resources as a survival threat. And, underneath the surface, emotional centers activate quickly while planning systems temporarily lose control. So, if you understand how scarcity rewires decisions, you can protect your thinking and thrive in the AI age, so stay with me.
So, what does that actually mean?
1. Scarcity triggers a survival mode mindset, which narrows attention and focuses only on what feels urgent right now. 2. In an AI-driven world filled with limited time offers and competitive pressure, scarcity thinking can be amplified by technology. 3. Strong financial leaders learn to recognize scarcity signals without letting them control long-term decisions.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes. Number 1, when scarcity is perceived, the amygdala activates quickly, increasing stress signals and narrowing focus. Number 2, dopamine circuits may spike when something is labeled limited, making it feel more valuable than it actually is. Number 3, if repeated often, these stress responses reshape the hippocampus and influence the default mode network, but through neuroplasticity the prefrontal cortex can be trained to stay steady under pressure.
How does this show up in real life?
Great question. 1. At school, a limited edition item or trending product may feel urgent, pushing quick spending decisions. 2. In friendships and stress, fear of missing out can override thoughtful planning, especially when technology highlights scarcity messages. 3. In careers like AI engineer, doctor, psychiatrist, designer, policymaker, or entrepreneur, scarcity thinking can either drive innovation or cause panic, depending on emotional regulation.
So, small equals big?
Yes. 1. Small calm responses to scarcity build resilience like strengthening a muscle over time. 2. Repeated thoughtful decisions grow new neural pathways like tending a garden that thrives under balanced care. 3. Over time, this wiring becomes strategic character, which becomes a powerful advantage in uncertain AI-driven markets.
So, how do I start?
Step 1. When you see a limited time message, pause and ask, is this truly scarce or just designed to feel scarce? And picture your prefrontal cortex stepping in. Step 2. Notice your body's stress response and imagine your amygdala settling like a dimming alarm. Step 3. Create a rule to wait before acting on urgent offers, and remember the hook, calm minds make clear choices.
What should we do today?
1. Identify one scarcity message you see today and do not act on it immediately. 2. Discuss it with a parent or trusted adult and analyze whether the urgency was real or psychological. 3. Repeat this micro habit for 1 week and observe how your confidence in decision-making grows. Remember, scarcity is a signal, not a command. Through neuroplasticity, calm responses reshape your brain's stress and reward systems. In the AI age, steady thinkers will outperform reactive ones in every market. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.